set a festive mood.
No gathered choirs are singing, no banners lead the way. O God of love and promise, where's joy this Easter day? With sanctuaries empty, may homes become the place. We ponder resurrection and celebrate your grace.
Our joy won't come from worship that's in a crowded room, but from the news of women who saw the empty tomb. Our joy comes from disciples who ran with haste to see, who heard that Christ is risen, and then by grace believed. In all the grief and suffering may we remember well, Christ suffered crucifixion and faced the powers of hell. Each Easter bears the promise, Christ rose that glorious day. Now nothing in creation can keep your love away. We thank you that on Easter your church is blessed to be a scattered faithful body that's doing ministry in homes